What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Tietoc 6-inch mini chainsaw. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this chainsaw, including one thing that you should know before buying. All right, guys, so we've been doing a lot of tree trimming in the backyard, and this little handheld chainsaw has been pretty amazing to do it. To do everything. It's been difficult because we can't use hedge trimmers. I was using a hatchet. That just wasn't enough. So I needed something better. I'm going to show you this in the backyard in a second to actually show you how I've been using it. But before I do that, I just kind of want to talk through everything that we have here so you understand, you know, what comes with it. All right, so first taking the guard off. So we obviously have the chain here and everything with it. Here is the battery. I like that when you hold this down, it actually tells you how much battery is left. Nice thing too, safety wise, you press down, this doesn't do anything. You have to press this and then press the trigger, and that's when it will actually start. And as you saw, it's pretty powerful, pretty good. Well, like I said, I'll show you to you in a second. Comes with an extra battery, which is really nice. Really like when they come with the extra battery because it's annoying if you're trying to do a job and it runs out. This is mostly for like the grease or the oil to go on the chain. It does not have any when you get it, so you have to get that, but you know, local hardware store should have it, no big deal. An extra chain as well, which is nice. Has these to kind of clean out the chain if need be, and a replacement one. I don't know exactly what this is called, but this is basically what the chain goes on. I don't know what this thing would be called, but essentially this thing, if you need to replace it. These little gloves, not really impressive gloves, guys, to be honest with you. These would not stop a chain. They're just cloth, but you know, something that it comes with. The actual charger right here, and then some safety glasses. I don't need these. I already have my own, but it is nice that they come with them. And then all that stuff that you just saw will fit right in here in the carrying case. That all said, let's take this thing to the backyard here. I'll actually show you just trimming a little bit with this thing. I do want to note that it is windy outside, so you know, if you hear the wind and everything, don't be annoyed by that. But it is a little windy, so we'll take it out and show you how it works. All right, guys, so as you can see, I've been trimming this and this over here, trimmed all these already. We're gonna go ahead and trim this one really quick. Okay, so let me show you. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. Right through without a problem. I'll do, we'll do this one as well, one more. It's hung up a little bit here. There we go, easy. So as you guys saw, it goes right through without a problem. Battery's still completely full, right? It's just a good product overall. In terms of the one thing to know about it, I would just say, depending on what you're actually cutting, sometimes the batteries don't do a great job in lasting too long. So I always recommend that you have both batteries charged. Just because, it depends on what you're cutting, right? If it's really thick, it can have an issue. Me cutting down those branches is easy, but I've had to cut down some stumps before, and that took a little bit more, but overall they usually work for, I'd say probably about 20 to 30 minutes of a good cutting that I need to do. And then I'll usually have to switch the other battery, but it'll probably depend on what your situation is and what you're working with. But if you're wondering if it's good, it absolutely is. Definitely recommend it. And hopefully this helps.